Hello student, in last lecture we started with the chapter derivative. In that we learn some standard formulas and then we start with the concept of composite function. Now today again we will continue with the same concept. So first find dy by dx if y is equal to 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x the bracket raised to 9. Now here first you will observe the given question carefully and you will decide that which term you are going to consider as x or to which term you are going to consider as u. You can call this as u or x. Now this entire term which is given in the bracket, that term we will consider as x. So now our function will be y is equal to x raised to 9. Now differentiating with respect to x, so considering dy by dx to both the sides. Now as we know the formula of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. So here to this term we have considered as x, so x raised to 9. So derivative will be 9 into x raised to 9 minus 1, that is 8. And the term to which you are considering as x, again derivative of that term, because this is chain rule. So keeping this term as it is, here derivative of this term will be 5 as it is, derivative of x cube 3x square minus 4 as it is, derivative of x square is 2x minus 8 as it is, derivative of x is 1. So by simplification of this bracket we will get 15x square minus 8x minus 8 and the first term will be as it is. Suppose we consider second example, y is equal to cube root of a square plus x square. Now we can write this term in simplification form as a square plus x square the bracket raised to 1 upon 3 because cube root is given. Now differentiating with respect to x, so considering dy by dx to both the sides. Now here also we will observe the given question carefully and this bracket term we will consider as x. So the question is in the form of x raised to n and we know the formula of x raised to n while finding the derivative, n into x raised to n minus 1. So here we will get 1 upon 3 into x raised to, means this entire bracket raised to 1 upon 3 minus 1, and the term to which we are considering as x, again derivative of that term, so derivative of a square plus x square. Now here simplifying this fraction we will get minus 2 by 3 raised to, and derivative of a square is 0 because no x term is present, so a square will be constant and derivative of constant is 0 and derivative of x square is 2x. So by taking derivative of this bracket we will get the answer as 2x and the starting term will be as it is. So final answer we can write as 2x upon 3 a square plus x square the bracket raised to minus 2 by 3. Now third question, y is equal to square root of x plus 1 upon x. Now differentiating with respect to x, taking dy by dx to both the sides. Now as we have the formula of root x, derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So here we can apply that formula. So we will get 1 upon 2 into root x. Now this entire term which is given inside root, that term we are considering as x. So again derivative of that term. So derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 upon x, we know the formula minus 1 upon x square. So first term will be as it is. Here after doing the cross multiplication we will get x square minus 1 upon x square. So this is nothing but the derivative of given term. Now we consider the next question, question number 4. Y is equal to log of log x. Now here first we will decide that which term we are going to consider as x. So log x means this log x which is given in the bracket, to that log x we are going to consider as x. So while reading this, our question will be y is equal to log x. So differentiating with respect to x, taking dy by dx to both the sides. Now we know the derivative of log x is 1 upon x, but our x is nothing but the log x, so 1 upon log x, and the term to which we have considered as x, that is log x, so again derivative of that log x. So 1 upon log x into derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x. So our final answer will be 1 upon x into log x. I hope you are getting the term to which we are going to consider x. Again we want to find derivative of that x. Now fifth, y is equal to log of 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Now differentiating with respect to x, taking d by dx to both the side. Now again this entire bracket we will consider as x. So our question will be y is equal to log x. So derivative of log x is 1 upon x. We will read that term as x, but while writing we will write the entire value of x. So that term to which we have considered x, again derivative here. So 10 into 4x cube plus 5 as it is, derivative of x cube is 3x square, minus 3 as it is, derivative of x square is 2x, plus 2 is a constant, so derivative of 2 is 0. So after simplifying this, we will get 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x. Now this term we can write in the numerator. So our final answer will be this entire term in the numerator and denominator as it is. Now y is equal to log of ax square plus bx plus c. Now this is exactly same as the sum number 4 and 5. Here also to this bracket term we will consider as x. So while taking the derivative, we will read this term as log x. So derivative of log x is 1 upon x into the term to which we have considered as x, again derivative of that term, and derivative of this will be a as it is, x square derivative is 2x, plus b as it is, derivative of x is 1, and as c is constant, no x term is present, so derivative of c is 0. So while simplifying this, we will get 2ax plus b. That term we can write in the numerator. So our final answer will be this. Now next, sum number 7. Y is equal to e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Now here we will consider this entire term which is given in the raised to as x. So we will read this question as y is equal to e raised to x. So while taking the derivative, we know the formula of e raised to x is e raised to x. So this entire term will be as it is, and the term to which we have considered as x, again derivative of that term. So here derivative of this term, now I am directly writing the answer. Answer will be 5 into 2x, that is 10x, minus 2 into 1, that is 2. So this will be the derivative of the given term. Now next, y is equal to a raised to 1 plus log x. Now again this bracket term we will consider as x. So our original sum will be in the format of y is equal to a raised to x. Now derivative of a raised to x, we know a raised to x into log a. So here derivative will be a raised to x, means that entire term, into log a into derivative of term to which we have considered as x. So 1 plus log x. Now derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So 0 plus 1 upon x is 1 upon x. So our last answer will be a raised to 1 plus log x into log a upon x. Next sum, y is equal to 5 raised to x plus log x. Now this is also similar type of question just like a raised to x, but here value of a is given as 5. So while taking the derivative, we will read that question as 5 raised to x. So derivative will be 5 raised to x into log 5 into derivative of this bracket term, as we have considered that term as x. So derivative of x is 1, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. And if we cross multiply this, then we will get x plus 1 upon x. So the last answer will be, we will write this all the terms in the numerator and denominator will contain only x. Now last, y is equal to e raised to log x plus 6. Now again applying the formula of e raised to x, we know derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So here also derivative of e raised to x will be e raised to x into derivative of this bracket term. The answer will be 1 upon x plus 0, that is 1 upon x. So this was all about the composite function. Thank you, students.